Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about some fun ways that you can be a little bit more creative with your journaling using cards and stickers. So you might have heard of journal cards or journal stickers. So I'm going to talk about these specific ones that I sell that will help you to live a healthier lifestyle and just to, journaling goes really good with health. And so if you're trying to improve your health, if you're trying to find new things to journal about, and if you use like a daily planner, anything like that, these are really fun way to make that also creative and more fun. So stay tuned to this video if you are interested in learning how to do this. This is I Love Journaling, where I talk all about journaling and I give tips and tricks and show you all these really cool ways that you can make journaling fun, like with this video. So let's get right into this. So journal cards or stickers, what exactly are these? So these are printable journaling accessories that can be used either as cards or stickers. You can make journaling more fun because they're colorful and they are more interesting and they give you like prompts, things like that. They also help you to become more creative with your journaling, not just writing on a piece of paper and just having it be writing. It's kind of fun and inspiring to have pictures and prompts and things like that. So that is exactly what we're going to be talking about here. So the first set that I have to show you that I have in my Etsy shop are anxiety coping cards. So these are more aimed at people that journal for anxiety, which is actually one of the biggest reasons why people journal, because it's so good for your mental health. So these have anxiety relieving activities, they have journal prompts, calming affirmations, and anxiety education. So this is just a sample page of what you will get. It's a printable, of course, so you print it off and each page has 4. So these are all really good for anxiety, depression, any type of mental health issues, panic attacks, things like that. So the way that you can use these as cards is to cut them out and laminate them, and then you can use them for daily journaling or even meditation. So you can just put them in a little stack and pick a new one every day. That's how you can use them if you kind of want to keep them in good shape. If you want to like have a physical thing that you can just, maybe even carry them around with you. They're good for that reason if you laminate them. You could also put them on cardstock if you use the sticker paper, which I'm about to explain next. If you print these on sticker paper, you will be able to use them as stickers for your journal or your daily planner. So this is a good example of how you could do that, whether or not you have a bullet journal or a blank journal, whatever type of journal you have, these can be printed and stuck onto any page. And also I should note that since this is a downloadable product, you can print as many of these as you need to forever. So you pay once and you have it forever, and you can print as many of these as you want. So let's say you do want to maybe use them as stickers and as journal cards, you could do that too, because you can print as many as you want. And then, if you have a journal that fills up and then you need a new one for the next year or whatever, then you can print a whole new set of these stickers. So again, oh, I'm sorry, this is the next one I have. This is the holistic living cards, which are very similar, only these are more focused on living a holistic lifestyle. So these will help you live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. There's 36 of these cards, and these are very similar to the anxiety ones, only these contain mini guides, self-care tips, daily routine practices, and more. So just like the other things that I showed you, these are 4 on each page, but you can also print them smaller if you want. You can even print them really, really big and make one whole size be a page. But they're more used like a journal or a planner, so you want them to be small. So if you print them as is, they'll be 4.5 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide. And like I said, you can change your printer settings if you would like to make them smaller. So these are perfect for your daily planner as well as a journal. And like they add color, they add motivation if you're trying to change your lifestyle in any way, improve your life in any way, which, you know, planners and journals are both really good for that. They're both very similar. These are really perfect for bullet journals. And this is because bullet journals are the type of journals where things are kind of categorized. There are certain areas on the page for certain things. And of course, bullet journals are all about decorating and you being creative and you expressing yourself through color, drawings, images. And so these printable journal cards are perfect for bullet journals. So here's the various ways that you can use these. You can cut and laminate each one, choose one card every day and focus on that thing. You can print the cards onto sticker paper and cut each one out to use as stickers. These can be used in a journal, a planner, a binder, a notebook, or even on your phone or laptop, iPad, anywhere else that you use stickers. You can cut each one for use in a junk journal or bullet journal. So junk journals are very similar to bullet journals. You can do whatever you want, stick anything in there. They use a lot of ephemera, which are decorative journal accessories. These can be printed in a smaller size as well for use in smaller journals. Do all of these if you would like. Like I said, you can print as many copies of these as you need forever. Get creative with them. If you wreck one, you can print another. So the links to get to these are in the description in my Etsy shop. And if this stuff sounds really good to you, but these aren't quite what you're looking for, I have another video here on more ways that you can decorate your journal if you want to make it look pretty and inspiring. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.